Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eric Everman and I have a few minutes before my day job begins, so I was thinking about making a quick introduction to mining Ethereum. I have no idea what I will be doing because I'm completely new to mining, cryptocurrency and all that, but I have friends doing it, so I thought why not. So if I can make some kind of a configuration to make $1 per day in the coming future using my old gaming PC, that will be great. So I put together some material and I will go through it with you guys and we'll see how far we can get. So this will just be a quick test of setting up an old gaming PC to mine some Ethereum. And to my knowledge, based on what I've read and heard from friends, Ethereum is one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies to mine because it takes less power and it sort of has the current value that this makes it most sensible to do the mining on these days. So basically I talked to my friend and got some information about how to get started and read some documents and watched some videos about this, and this is not a tutorial in any way, it's just documentation of my efforts to get started, and I'm documenting it here for people to watch, and probably it's going to be a how not to do it guide instead of how to do it guide. Like I said, I'm completely new to cryptocurrency and mining, so I'm not sure if I know what I will be doing, but hopefully it will work out. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm just interested in what everybody's talking about when it comes to cryptocurrency and mining and how it works. And of course, since I'm interested in building online income streams, this could be an upcoming income stream to add to my Income Grinders project if I were to sort of get a more high-end graphics card, if this works out for me. So I will try to do this on my old and existing GPU first, since I already have it, and might as well give it a shot. And like I said, I will document my successes and fails in this video that you're watching, so I will probably just do it, record it in one take, and we'll see where it goes after that. And if it doesn't completely mess up, I will just keep it as is. So like I said, this will not be a tutorial about how you should do it. It will only be a documentary, more or less. So I will then start the timer when I'm getting started, so we can keep track of how long it actually takes to get started. And basically what I understand what you will need some sort of GPU, which is the graphics processor in your PC. And you need some kind of crypto wallet where you will sort of put all your cryptocurrency that you are mining once you get some. You will need a mining software, which is sort of responsible for doing the calculations that are sent to your PC. And you will need some kind of crypto mining pool, because you don't have the capacity, most people don't have the capacity on their computers to do mining alone, so instead you get together a bunch of people using a pool of miners, and together you sort of share the load of calculations, and then you send it back up to the pool, and you get sort of most of the income, and the pool that you're operating on will sort of take a fee for being the distributor of this pool. That's my understanding, a very rough understanding probably. So in my case, I will be using a GPU called NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, which has 6 gigabytes of memory. And as I understand, that's on the very low end, so this is more or less a minimum that you can do any decent mining with. And you will not end up with making a fortune, of course, with this, so this is just a test. You will need a crypto wallet, which in my case will be metamask.io, since that's what my friend is using, so it's easy to do, have the same if I run into trouble. And I will use the phoenixminer software as the actual miner that is doing the work on my PC. And I will be needing to sort of connect to a crypto mining pool, which in my case I just took one random ethermine.org in this case. We'll see how it works out. So the pool is used, like I said, for several people together to solve mathematical problems, which is basically what mining is. You sort of get algorithms to, or equations to, sort out using your graphics card. So I will take some coffee and then we will just start the timer and get started. Yeah, and just one note here. There's a webpage called, I can't see what it's called. It's called minerstat.com. So I looked up my hardware, which is GTX 1060. And this one is estimating that mining Ethereum on this hardware will bring in a profit of about $1 per day. So it's some money, it's very little money, but if you do this 24 hours a day for a year, you will still end up with a fair amount of money which could be spent on something fun at least, or reinvested in your portfolio of whatever you're building up as your own income streams. So we have this metamask.io, which I will I have no idea how to do it, but I guess I need to download now. And I will install for Firefox. Add to Firefox. And of course you can have it in Chrome or whatever places you would like. Okay. So up in the corner we have MetaMask. So let's see what it says here. Install. So what are we supposed to do then? Get support, FAQ, install. But how do I'm pretty sure I will need to... Okay, you click the extension, then you go to get started. New to MetaMask, yes, let's get set up. Create a wallet. Help us improve, blah blah blah. Yeah, I agree. Create a password. Okay, I will disconnect this tab so you don't see it in the broadcast, and I will create a password. And that's done. I can get back here so you can see. Then I press create. Maybe if I get some keys I should still be disconnected. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing here. Next we have some information. Skip that, and then we have a secret backup phrase. Makes it easier to back up or restore your account. Never disclose your backup phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your ether forever. So this one I will definitely not show. And I will disconnect again, and I will take a screenshot actually of this and store this at some safe location. For now I will just put it in document. And now I have stored my secret. And I will press next. And then it sort of asks me to confirm my secret backup phrase, so I actually know it, and I will not show that as well. I can just show you how it looks at least. And I just realized I forgot to start the timer. So we need to add a few minutes to this later on. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I have my backup phrase stored away. So what I will do now is to just confirm it without anybody seeing, of course. Okay, I got it right. That's a bit close call. So, congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your secret phrase safe, and we're all done. Okay, looks like we have a crypto wallet, and we have 0 Ether. Okay, so step 1 is completed. We have created a crypto wallet using MetaMask. Next, what we will do is to download the Miner tool. Which I guess is this zip file here. And let's see. Oh, of course you can't see this, but it's just a bunch of Windows files, so I will extract those on my hard drive. I will make a mining folder and I will just put them in there. We should have a getting started guide as well. Great, let's just check so I'm actually sharing this. Yeah. So what do we do now? I think we need to update some files so we understand, so we have our own wallet connected. Introduction, download, install, pool options. Let's go see what we have. Okay, they have a bunch of pre-made configurations with the pools. They have one configuration file for Ethermine, so I could probably just use that one. And I think I will open that configuration and share it in the just a second. I will share the screen for the window. You can see it here. So this is the configuration file as it looks. So we have the pool here already set up, hopefully. I will check it out. And this, as I understand, is the public key for my wallet. This one is not my wallet, but I need to replace this one. And then it should be all set to go. And I will go back to my MetaMask page and let's see if we can find this key somewhere. Is it in settings perhaps? Privacy, advanced. I need to search. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing better. MetaMask key. Okay, looks like it should be there under account 1. let's go back to MetaMask account. That's the one we're looking for. And I will paste it, and I will save this. Okay, actually I think that's all we need. So I will open a command prompt. Yeah, like I said, this is not a sort of educational tutorial, so it's just me doing things that I don't really know what I'm doing. I can share this one as well. We can add source. So I'm also trying to learn this XSplit software at the same time. I'm getting all warm and sweaty, sorry about that. So here we have a command prompt, and I will move that here. And like I said, I did put my files in the mining folder. So if we do ls, dir, yeah, these are the files, and we should just take the name of the bat file that I just updated, copy the name and paste it in here, and I will just try starting it. phoenixminer.exe is not recognized as an internal or external program. Oops, I see what's happening. Norton is doing stuff. So Norton is removing a lot of stuff. So I have to file back. Helpful for me. Okay, now it's actually running. Could not connect to ETH hash pool, blah blah blah. Okay, it's been blocked in the firewall. It looks like we're getting started. And I can hear my graphics card fan getting warmed up. So I think we're up and running. Okay, so if we assume that we're actually up and running now, then I should stop the timer. See if we have any ether yet. No. Of course it will take lots of more time. Okay. Mining ether on this one. Accepted shares. Failed to establish connection. This bloody... Well, if I hadn't had this Norton stuff on my computer, I would be done by now. So I will look into that and get back to you guys. Okay, I think actually we're up and running now. I have been doing some configuration in the Norton software. Basically what I've done is I've allowed the exe file to execute on the computer, and I have allowed a few Trojan horses to access my computer, which is basically, I think it's the pool server trying to access my computer. So at least we're one step further in, but now I'm detecting something else. CUDA error in CUDA program. Okay, out of memory. And actually I'm guessing that's due to the fact that I'm running this program XSplit while recording. So what I will do now is close this recording down, and hoping to be done for this time, and just wanted to report back that if you do some configuration in Norton, you can get this up and running. You see, we're sort of getting, as I'm guessing now, we're getting jobs downloaded to the computer, which are supposedly to be calculated and sent back to the pool. And that's if it sort of detects that we don't have enough GPU memory to actually do the calculations, it will fail. So I'm stopping the recording, and I thank you guys for watching this amateur trying to get started with you see we got the error again. So we'll just disconnect and give you guys an update in a few days and see how it goes. Bye.